Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'm going to be covering how to subtract mixed numbers. As you can see, there are two problems on your screen that we're going to go through in order to get this down. So let's jump right into number one, and for number one we have 6 2/3 minus 3 5/6. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to put the fractions below each other. Just like normally when we're subtracting numbers, we're going to put it below each other. This isn't necessary, but I like to do this to make it a bit easier for myself. So we're going to do 6 2/3 minus 3 3/5/6, like this. So now what we want to do is we want to get the denominator the same. So we're going to look at what our denominator is going to be. So I hope you guys also thought of 6, because this will be very easy. We can also, of course, do 12, or yes, we can also do 12, for example, but in this case, we are going to use 6 to make it a bit more easy on ourselves. So, as you can see, we already have a 6 right here for the denominator, so we only have to change this one. So, we're going to times the 3 by 2. So we get 6. And of course, we have to times the top also by 2. So now we have 6 2/6 minus 3/5/6. So now we can start subtracting the two fractions, or the two mixed numbers, I mean. So to do this, we are gonna start with our fractional parts. So we're gonna do 2 minus 5. Well, 2 minus 5 won't work because we will get in the negatives. So we have to borrow 1 from the 6. So we can cross the 6 off, and our 6 will turn into a 5. So let's go over to the left over here where we have enough space. So it will turn into a 5. Now, because one whole number is 6, we are going to add 6 to the 2. So we will get 5 8. Oh, my bad, guys. After a bit of looking, I was a bit confused. We have a 4 here instead of a 2, because we multiply this 2 also by 2. So we're going to add 6 to the 4, and we will get 5 10 6 minus 3 5/6. So like this, we can start subtracting. So we're going to start with our fractions. So we're going to do 10 minus 5. This will equal 5, of course. And our denominator stays the same. Now we're going to do 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 equals 2. And this will get us to our final answer. So our final answer is going to be 2/5/6. So now let's jump straight into our second example. Let's move this up here, just in case we want to do our second problem also in the middle. So, for our second problem, we have 7/1/4 minus 2 2/3. Again, the first step we're going to take is we're going to write these two below each other. Again, this is not necessary, but I like to do it just to make it a bit more easy for you. So like this, 7/1/4, that's a bit too small, 7/1/4 minus 2 2/3, like this. So now, again, we have to make our denominators the same. So in this case, we have to change both of them up, because we can't get to 4 or 3 with both of the denominators. So we can think of the multiples of 3 and 4, which are the same answer for the both. So, and the first multiple is going to be 12. So we're gonna turn both of our denominators to the number 12. So for the 4, we're going to multiply it by 3, and of course the numerator also. So we get 7, 3, 12, like this. And now we're going to do it the same for the bottom one. So for 3 times 4 equals 12, and we're going to times the numerator by 4 also. So we get 2 times 4 equals 8, and 3 times 4 equals 12. So we get 2, 8, 12. So now we can start subtracting. So we have 7, 3, 12 minus 2, 8, 12. So now we're going to subtract starting with our fractional part. So we're going to do 3 minus 8. And we can't do this because we will get into the negatives and we don't want that for a fraction. So we're going to borrow again from the 7. So we can cross this off and it turns into a 6. So now we're going to add 12 to the 3 and this will equal 15. So we get 6, 15, 12 minus 2, 8, 12. So now we can just simply start by subtracting our fractions first. So we're going to do 15 minus 8, and 15 minus 8 will equal 7. 7. And of course our denominator stays the same again, and now we can start subtract our whole numbers. So we're going to do 6 minus 2, and this will equal 4. And like this you will get to your final answer of 4, 7, 12. So this was the video, guys. I hope you guys understand how to subtract mixed numbers now. It can be a bit complicated because you have like 4, 5, or 6 steps you may have to go through in order to get to the final answer. But if you watch this video a couple of times, you will finally understand it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, Mr. Mathz, and I hope you all have a great day. And as always, this was Mr. Mathz, and I'll see you guys in the next one.